Today we're doing a delicious dish. 18th century empanadas? Come on now. Absolutely amazing. Get the fire stoked. We have our ingredients here. So we have some diced up kind of small green beans. We have some dehydrated porcini mushrooms, which are excellent by the way. Some parsley, one large-ish shallot, diced small as well. And the star of the show, ground bison. Then we have our spices. We have salt, pepper, nutmeg, and what we don't see here, I've pre-made. It's out in the kitchen now. I didn't have enough room to show it, but is our puff paste. So we're gonna get all this mixed up in our cast iron skillet in the hearth. And once this is all cooked up, we'll introduce the puff paste. So the first thing we need to do is break out some coals. So I'm just setting my brass kettle aside. Break some of these coals out. Probably way more than enough, but all we want to do is get our skillet warming up there, and then we can get our ingredients into that. So the pan should be good and warm, so we're going to add a couple knobs of butter there. To that we'll add our chopped shallots. And just let that simmer and tickle over for a bit, and we'll add the rest of our stuff. So to that, at this point, we'll add our bison. Our spices to that, so a little bit of nutmeg. Fresh cracked pepper. Sea salt. So that's looking pretty good. We're going to add some more of our stuff here. So those porcini mushrooms, get those in so they can start hydrating. Our finely cut up green beans. And at this point, we didn't put too many spices, so we'll add a little bit more nutmeg. Some pepper. All in. And some salt as well. Give that a quick mix up. Alright, so this is pretty much good to go, so we're going to add our parsley to that, and we're not going to leave it in there very long. So we still have more to the cooking process. Give that a quick whiz about. I think I say it in every video, but just the fireplace, the smoke, so there definitely is smoke that seeps out into the house. I love that smell. It's like being outside and, you know, smelling somebody's fireplace that they have going. And I always said it, you know, it smells like winter, if you could describe it that way. But the smell from this pan right now, oh me, oh my. But anywho, you best believe old Nanook is sitting right here. Yeah, he eyeballing me. I get it. So we're going to take this off. I just wanted to incorporate the parsley. So we'll take that out, we're going to put it into a bowl and get to the next step. But man, that smells good. Chef Parks. Oh my. Had a porcini mushroom in there, see that? Did you catch that? So, off with this, let's get it into a bowl. I'll let it cool down a bit, and we'll get to the next step in the process. So please forgive the 21st century egg wash brush. But we'll brush those. We'll get some meat right in the center. Out. Yeah, and that's all over it now. You can use a fork or whatever you have to crimp these, but you just do it with your fingers as well. Right in the skillet. So we've let these cool. The house smells absolutely insane. That's crazy. I know, I say it in every video, but I promise you, gotta try these out. So it's they're a little bit greasy. Obviously they're fried in oil at the end with the puff paste, but just have a go at that, would you? Can you see it? Can you see it? So healthy? Probably not. Maybe it was before we fried it in the oil, but I've already ate one. Man, oh man. Just have a look. So good. But most fried foods are. Unbelievable. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate your views, support, all your comments. Catch you on the next one. What's up, Sniffer? You gotta go away. You got what?